Now, in this video, we are going to study about next concentration term, that is molarity. This term you have already studied in +1 class, first chapter. What is molarity? Number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution, that is called molarity. Solution, as you know, that consists of two components, solute and solvent. We mention solute as B and solvent as A. So molarity is represented by capital M. That's why NB, that is number of moles of solute, divided by volume of solution in liter. How can we find out the number of moles of solute? It can be calculated by using formula weight of solute divided by molecular mass of solute. Wb is the weight of solute and Mb is the molecular mass of solute. If volume is given in milliliter, then it is divided by 1000 ml, because 1 liter consists of 1000 milliliters, so its volume can be converted into liter. So molarity is Wb upon Mb into 1000 ml divided by volume of solution, that is the molarity. If we mix two solution having particular molarity and volume, then we have to calculate the molarity of new solution which is formed by mixing of two solution. So for this we use this formula, that is M1 is the molarity of first solution, V1 is the volume of first solution, plus M2. M2 is the molarity of second solution and V2 is the volume of second solution. We mix both these solution, then we get new solution having volume V1 plus V2 and new molarity, that is M3. M3 can be calculated. Now next term is formality. Formality we study in case of ionic compound, because ionic compounds does not exist as such in solution, they dissociated into ions. So here we cannot consider ionic compound as a molecule, so we here study formality, in which we discussed about formula mass. So what is formality? In place of moles, we use gram formula mass of solute dissolved per liter of solution. So what is formality? Number of gram formula mass of solute dissolved per liter of solution. It's represented by formula F is equal to gram formula mass of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. To clear this formality, I take here one example. 2.02 gram of potassium nitrate, that is ionic compound, dissolved in 500 milliliter of solution. Find the molarity of solution. So what is the weight of solute given here? 2.02 gram. What is the molecular mass? That is called formula mass. That is its molecular mass, that is 39 plus nitrogen 14, oxygen 16 into 3, that is 48, total is 101 gram. So what is formality? Put the value of this in numerical and formula, in this formula, and we get here this one. 2.02 divided by 101 into 1000 ml divided by 500 ml, that is 0.04 formality. I hope all of you understand this formality term. It is used only for ionic compound. Now next term is molality. What do you mean by molality? Number of moles of solute present in 1000 gram or 1 kilogram of solvent. It is mass based. It is not volume based. It is based on mass, or it is based on solvent, not on solution. So molality is equal to NB, that is number of moles of solute, which can be calculated by using formula Wb, weight of solute, divided by molecular mass, that is NB. So molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent, that is Wa in kilogram. If it is given in gram, then you divide this by 1000 and you get molality. If in numerical, volume of solution is given, density of solution is given, but solvent mass is not given, then what we have to do, first calculate the mass of solution, that is density into volume. We know that what is the formula of density? Density of solution is equal to mass upon volume. So mass of solution is equal to density into volume. When we find the mass of solution, then subtract mass of solute from mass of solution, then you get the mass of solvent, and put these value in this formula and you can find the mass molality of the solution. I hope all of you understand what is molarity. It is used for covalent compound. What is formality? It is used for ionic compound. And what is molality of the solution? Thank you.